Today we will discuss probability. It is the measure of chance of happening of an event. Okay. Probability literally its meaning is uncertainties, possibilities or chances. So when we give a numerical value to these possibilities, that is called probabilities in mathematics, and it is denoted by P of E, that is probability of an event E. Formula is number of favorable outcomes for event E divided by total number of outcomes. In symbols, it is n of E divided by n of S. N of E means number of all the favorable outcomes for the event E, and n of S means sum of all the possible outcomes. Okay. Now probability of an event E is always represented either in fraction, or its maximum value can be 1 or minimum value can be 0. So its range is between 0 and 1. When the probability is 0, the event is called impossible event. And events like getting 7 after throwing a dice is a kind of impossible event. Okay. Certain event means event whose probability is 1. For example, rising of a sun in the east till the universe is present is a certain event. Okay. Now come to the next, elementary events. Elementary event is a single unique outcome of a random experiment. Means in this kind of events, the outcome is not repeated. Okay. Again, I will take the example of throwing of a dice. There are 6 numbers present over there and no number is being repeated over there. So these type of experiments are called elementary events, and the sum of elementary events in an experiment is always 1. Okay, now next point, important point is complementary events. Complementary events are the two events which cannot happen together. Suppose like day and night cannot happen together, okay, after 12 hours only. And when night happens, day disappears, and when day happens, night disappears. Now, probability of E means happening of an event plus probability of E bar means not happening of an event is equal to 1. Therefore, probability of not happening of an event, that is P of E bar, will be 1 minus P. This is important formula for solving the problems. Now I will just discuss the throwing of a dice, single dice throwing and double dice throwing. What are the possible outcomes over there? See, it is written like this. You are aware of that when we throw a single dice, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are the numbers may appear. Okay, so total outcomes can be 6. And when we throw 2 dice together, in that case we can have these many type of outcomes. Means on the first dice 1, and this is 1 on the second dice. Okay, suppose 2, 3 means first dice is having 2 number and second dice is having a number 3. In this way you have these many combinations of the possible outcomes in throwing of a 2 dice. This type of information is required to solve the problems in the exercises. Again, also there should be some information about cards also, because in a deck of cards there is 52 cards. You are aware of that. It is an indoor game, so most of you have aware of that. But if you are not, then we just discuss these points important. In a pack of cards there is 52 cards, 26 of black cards, and black cards having again 13 of spade and 13 of clubs. Okay, this is the symbol. Now 26 red cards, 13 of hearts and 13 of diamonds. These are the symbols. And in each suits of 13 cards, we are having king, queen, jack and ace. These are called 4 honor cards. Okay. And only the king, queen, jack, which are having a face over there, they are called face cards. So these are the important points regarding probabilities. Next day we will solve the problems from the exercises. Thank you.